Hello guys, I welcome you to today's tutorial. This is going to be a new tutorial that I'll be taking on my YouTube channel. It's going to be all about Canva, how to make use of Canva, the different things you can achieve with Canva. So for today's tutorial, we're going to start with how to create a book cover. So when you log on to canva.com, this is what their front page look like. You can see this is what their front page look like, and you can see some of my recent designs, the ones I even use on YouTube for my YouTube channel. I make use of Canva to create them. So I'm going to show you a lot of things that you can do with Canva, but let's start with book cover for today. So search for book cover here. So you can see book cover, you click on it. We have so many templates for book covers. You can see them. There are so many. So I've already chosen one that I'm going to be using. So you can decide to choose any one. What you just need to do is to edit it. So right now, I will show you my recent design, like the one I used to design the book cover. The last one I designed. You can see this is the last one I designed. You can see Canva tutorial, the design word, how to create book mockup. You can see, and this is another design. So I have the template already. So this is the template. So we are going to edit this template to look like this, and we are going to change the color also. So let's go ahead and create our book cover. So the first thing we are going to do here, we are going to change the name. So we are going to change it to Canva tutorial. And go ahead to the top here, you increase the font size. Let's make use of 48. I think this is clear enough. You can decide to bold it. You click on to highlight all. Once you click on it, click on Ctrl A to highlight, and you click on B to make it bold. You can see. So you can leave it the way it is. If you want to make it bold, you can make it bold. So we are going to leave this the way it is, but you can also edit it if you like. You just delete it and you put in whatever you want to put there. So but we are not going to delete that. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to remove this particular one and add our own. So I'm going to delete this. Once you click on it, you click on the delete button on or you right click and you click on delete. So it's either way, you can delete them one after the other. So you can see. So now I have them deleted. So the next thing I'm going to do now, you come to the left hand side, you click on text. So it will bring you this type of text. So we are going to select this. So this is what we have. So we need to increase the font size. You go up. Let's take this one to, let's say 56 and see. Okay, so we are going to change this this one also. So right now we're going to put how to create book mockup. So let me just type that. So you can see it's not well positioned, so you can decide to increase it from, you drag it to the left, drag it to the right. Okay, I think this is okay, and you can decide to adjust it the way you like. So we still have a little write up under that we need to change. So let's change the down part. I want to change the font size of this to 48 so that we can see it clearly. So I also want to change the font type. So we're going to use a font called Roboto. So you click on Roboto, you search for it. In case you didn't see it, you just search for it, you see. So we are changing this also. You highlight it, you press Ctrl A, and you come here and change it to Roboto. So we are changing this also. So we are making use of Roboto all through. So now we are done with changing. So we are still going to change the write up here. So we are going to put by, as the owner of the book. So I'm putting by the name of my channel. educate me. So now I think we are good to go. So another thing we can do is we can decide to change the color. So let me change the color so that you see, you click on the book cover, you see, you come over to this side where my mouse is, you click on it, you see different colors that you can change it to. You can decide to change it to red, any color of your choice. You can see you have so many color, and if you don't like the exact color, you can decide to come over to new color and you play around with the color until you get your desired color that you want to use. So but for this, I think I'll go with this color, or let me go with something a little bit different. Okay, let's go with this color. So you can decide to go with any color of your choice, and you can decide to replace all these right up. So I'm going to move this downward a little bit. You can decide to move this downward also. So, and for you to be able to centralize it, once you click on it with your mouse, you try to drag, and you can see it's drawing a line. So that means it's on a straight line now. You do the same thing for this and this also. So yeah, a straight line. So now this is the first step. So I'm done making the cover, so I'm going to download it now. So on the right hand side, you click on the arrow, download, you click on download, and you select the file type. Let's make use of PNG. So, and you click on download. So while we wait for it to download, I want to remind you, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, you can do that right now by clicking on the subscribe button below your screen, and you click on the notification button so that when next I put up any tutorial on Canva, you'll be able to get notification. So right now I think we are done downloading. We have the book cover downloaded already. So the next step is for us to create a new page. So you come down here and click on add new page. So we now have new page. So you come to resize here, click on resize, search for YouTube thumbnail, YouTube. So this is YouTube thumbnail. So you click on it and you click on resize. So we now have it resized. So let's change this back to white. You can leave it to any color of your choice, but I want this to be white for me. I love white. So the next thing you need to do, you come down to your photo. So you search for book mockup. So search for book mockup. You can see you have a lot of them here. You have a lot of them, so you decide to choose any one of your choice. So let's go with this. So let's readjust it. So I think we are good to go. If you want to increase the size, you can increase it here. So let's leave it at 50%. So what we are going to be doing now, the book cover we did, we are going to, let me just drag and drop it. So I'm going to upload it now. So you can see the first one I did. So this is the next one I'm going to upload now. So we are making use of this. So you can see. So the next thing you need to do is to make sure you fit in the book cover properly on the book. So let's do that right now. So if you can't see it very well, you need to increase the size. So let's increase it to 75. So I think this is better. So you adjust it to the edge this way. Check the upper side and drag until it fits in correctly. So you check this other side too and fix it properly. Okay, down part. So you can see it's as if one side is bigger than the other, so you can decide to drag this in a little bit and move it while you increase the other side. Okay, drag it. I think it's perfect now. So you need to cross check it very well. If you need to increase it more, you can increase it so that you can see the book cover properly. So I think we are good. The length is still kind of, let's reduce this. And increase it a little bit. I think it's okay now. Let's check out the side. I think we are good. So we have it already fixed. So you can see this is what it's going to look like. We have one design already. Okay, let's change this color, this white color. You can decide to change it. So let's just, what you need to do is you come over here. Let's reduce the page size to 50. So you can come here and click on duplicate page, click on it. So you can see this is the one we have before, so this is the one that we duplicated. So let's increase this back to 100. So now we have it. So what we are going to do next is, once you click on the book cover, you click on Ctrl D to duplicate. So we have two now. So what we are going to do, we're going to place it over the white part of this book. Place it over the white part, let it cover it. So you now drag it till you get to the end of this particular one we placed before. So for you to be able to distinguish this, you can decide to reduce the transparency. So you click on transparency here, you will reduce it. You can see the color is now different from the one we have there. So and you can, when you reduce the transparency, you can see it's not balanced, so you can decide to readjust it so that it will be balanced. Okay, so I think we are good. We are good now. I think just make sure you are accurate in your placing. You can see how beautiful the book is right now. So this is how easy it is to create a book cover on Canva. So you can decide to try some other designs. You can decide to add a new page, and you go, let me reduce this to 50 so that you can see it properly. So you can decide to go back to photo and choose another ebook cover of your choice. Anyone you want to add, you can decide to go with it. So there are many that you can make use of. We have now come to the end of the tutorial on creating book mockup. So I believe if you are to create your own, you can do that right away. So in our next tutorial, I'm going to be showing us another different thing that you can do with Canva. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that once I upload the next video, you'll be the first person to get notification. Thank you for watching and have a great day.